Hey everyone, Nut Free Mama here. Today I'm going to show you how to make football brookies. Okay, let's start off with our ingredients. First you need a box of brownie mix, whatever kind you like, plus all the ingredients to make it per back of the box. These football Pillsbury ready-to-bake cookies, which are hard to find, but I finally found some. And then some sprinkles of your choosing. I'm just using green and white for like grass. You could use your favorite team's colors, whatever you like. Preheat the oven per back of your brownie box, and then go ahead and line a 9x13 baking pan with parchment paper and set that to the side. Make your brownies per back of the box, and we're just going to spread that evenly into our prepared baking dish. That's nice and spread, so now we want to go ahead and just add our cookies on top. All of my cookies have been added to my brownie batter. I was able to fit all 20 on there, so now we're just going to get these into the oven per back of your brownie box. My brownies just came out of the oven and I immediately sprinkled all my little sprinkles all over it, so it really looks like a little football field happening here. These are so cute and they're sure to be a hit at any Super Bowl or football themed party. But now we're going to let these cool off. I'm going to cut into them and see what Taste Tester thinks. My brownies have cooled off and I cut them into nice little pieces. Each cookie should be a piece, so you should have 20. Let's see what Taste Tester thinks. Hey, Taste Tester.
Hi.
Have a little taste.
Okay. Jennifer, I go.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
All right, everyone. Come back and see us again. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe.
Bye.
Bye.